Hello everyone, welcome here. I'm Dr. Osman, and today jointly we are going through an area of the business coaching, and I will take you throughout this area that how to make it more intelligent coaching for new startups and what are the possible options and opportunities for the AI development and new AI tools tailored with your own business and find the ways if a tech developer want to build their own AI application for the existing businesses and the existing businessmen if they want to see the opportunities and growth options by adopting those AI applications, either if they want to hire or if they want to make their own. So let us proceed with today's this exciting and new topic. So I'm going to tell you what if your next business coach is not a person but a highly intelligent artificial intelligent assistant, the AI assistant that understand your business, your goal and your challenges, and even I would say that even better than you. So then think about and answer me that what then what will happen. So in a world where decisions need to be made quickly and based on data, traditional business coaching just cannot keep up. So that is the big challenge with the traditional systems. That's where AI powered business coaching step in. So this is the main battle where and the main corridor where you can keep yourself and either as an entrepreneur or a new startup or a new tech developer. So there are three different lenses you can find the opportunity in the business. So imagine having access to real-time strategic advice, personalized recommendation, and predictive analytics. So all these running in the background while you focus on building your business. So everything like you don't need to spend too much time, but just develop the data, provide access to the data, and then you spend your time on the growth of the business strategies rather than these like time consuming decisions. So the AI will take and will coach you that what your next move should be. So it will directly lead you. So it will lead on the basis of the traditional developed data, but the only thing is that how to develop the data and how to tailor it and what are the possible areas and what is the basic data you need to make an effective AI coach for yourself. And that AI coach will be basically an AI application. So in this video, we will explore how AI coaching is transforming startups and helping founders make smarter decisions, move faster, and avoid the pitfall that doom so many new ventures. So whether, as I mentioned, that if you are an early stage founder, a serial entrepreneur, or a tech developer are simply curious about the intersection of AI and business. So this is the roadmap, and jointly we will dive in that how it will be possible and what are the opportunities. So coming to the existing coaching crisis, that what is the crisis, what is the bottleneck, and what are the possibilities for us to augment or enhance this area through new applications and transformation possible that through digitalization. So let us start with the traditional business coaching model and why it's broken for today's startup world. What I said earlier. So the first thing is the cost. So a top tier business coach can charge anywhere from $200 to $2,000 per hour. For a bootstrapped founder, that's often out of reach. And the other thing is the scalability. So one coach can only manage a handful of clients. There is no way to serve thousands of entrepreneurs at once. So there is limitations. And traditionally, the coach are sometimes you may find bias or inconsistent. So every coach brings their own background, we understand, and assumptions and blind spots. exist there with the individual thoughts. So advice can be subjective and outdated sometimes. The other thing is the lack of data insight. As you see that human coaches simply cannot process real-time financial data. So they cannot access it. They will always take data. They will spend time on the traditional and historic data, and then they provide you the feedback and marketing analytics at some specific scale. While in case of possibilities, this is the area of crisis and the problem, we can develop something new with the new transformations. And the other thing is the access gaps. Early stage founders is in underserved regions or industries may not even know where to look for help. So as an example, I can give you if we go through. So consider Sarah, just a name of an entrepreneur, a solo founder building a SaaS product in maybe somewhere in the world, in third world countries, but she has strong technical skills but no access to reliable business mentorship. So even she has some limited access to the funds and even no network, and she is just googling answers and thinking about the second guessing on her every move. So this is the area if Sarah could access through the artificial intelligent coaching, so she could be have a potential to change her approach. And this is like we can see that similar problems millions of people are facing. So there is a opportunity I can explore for you that the rise of AI coaching. So first we have to understand that what AI coaching is doing and how does it actually work. So at its core, AI coaching combines machine learning, natural language processing, and business logic to deliver guidance that is tailored to your unique situation. Uh, Further, I would say that AI coach operates 24/7. It never sleeps. It works 24/7, a month, and for years, and even never burns out, and even scales effortlessly. And on top of that, you interact with it via chat, voice, or dashboard, so many mediums, and even from your phone, from your computer, and even on behalf of you, someone can access it and can speak about it. So just like talking to a very smart co-founder, it's your friend. The fourth thing would be it's personalized to your industry, company size, goals, and challenges. And it's predictive as well, meaning it can alert you to risks or opportunities before even they happen. So if you provide right data, right information, and link it at the right place, like we are founding the right place that where we can grow as a tech or as a businessman and can benefit from the AI coaching area. This is the new area which can coach you. So at every area, it will help you in decisions. Uh, so as an example, for example, if you are launching a new skincare brand, so what the AI can do for you if you adopt or you develop your own AI coach, so that will look at your ad performance, your customer acquisition cost and inventory trends and suggest whether you should increase the budget, pause ads, or double down on influencers. So you are no longer guessing basically. You are operating with the actual real time insights of your market. So this is the beauty. Uh, so AI coaching is not magic. Like throughout my lectures, I am telling that it's not a magic that you write your logic and hire your developer and they will write a program for you and it will do everything. No, this is not the things. Behind the AI coach, you must have your data. If you don't build your data from today, so you will be not successful in the future. So build your data, and AI coaching will not be a magic. You provide it, continuously update it, allow access to your data. So the more data you give it, the smarter and more relevant it becomes with you. So first of all, one of the data you should prepare for yourself, keep it, and even if you have, so you are ready and you will be at the edge and over your competitors. So the data is number one is the business profile data. So you must know your industry, your stage, whether you are at stage and pre-seed stage or series A, revenue model, that what model you are following, what is your business model, and customer base and growth goals. The other data that will be required for the AI application development is an AI coach. So that would be the operational metrics. So things like monthly revenue, conversion rates, churn rate, user retentions, and sales pipelines. Another data you would need, that is the for your AI coach, that is the financial data. So just think from the lens, guys, that if you are a tech developer, so you can quote your development process to the businessman, and you can ask for this data. If someone is in business and want to adopt the AI, so first of all, they would need to structure this data model. So you have to understand that from which lens you are looking through. And this is the unique areas like I'm exploring for you guys, that how you can see from which lens and what are the opportunities. So every person can even fit in single opportunity of this data model, and they can build their AI coach. So the other one is the market data. So you should know about your competitor pricing, the market benchmark, customer reviews, and external economic indicators. The other data would be the behavioral data, your communication style, goals, historical decisions, and response pattern. So as an example, you can take it that the AI can recognize, as an example, that you are a solo founder and you are juggling with too many tasks and often delaying key decisions. So now this coach will come in front of you, and then it will suggest delegation strategies, and it will also suggest you about the automation tools and even prompt you to revisit your roadmaps. So it does not just see your business, it understand how you operate. So the AI, this is the beauty of the AI coaching, that it continuously and monitoring you and then suggest you by its own that what's your next move would be. So this is really the a lot of business opportunity in this area, and a lot of job and skills transition is possible, and the people will grow definitely, and while even earn, and while their life standard will improve. So this is the area, and we can integrate this globally, not locally in a single country. As we talk about the data, so the first question comes in mind that we need to structure and tailor the data. So data alone is not enough. Just bear in mind, it needs to be structured and contextualized. So contextualized and structuring would be important, and we can say that the structured data means that you build the spreadsheets, for example, the CRM exports, the KPIs, financial reports. So these are easy for AI to process and understand. So you have to structure your data in a specific format. And for example, even if your data is unstructured, so what is that? So the unstructured data would be like voice memos, meeting transcript, email, Slack messages. So then the NLP tools can extract these insights from these, and then can it convert it to the structure formats. And probably in your businesses, you may see some semi-structured data, the things like survey responses, the API's outputs are form entries. So these are somehow structured and unstructured, and then we can deal that how to convert it through algorithms in a structured format to make it easy for your AI coach. To personalize your experience, the AI builds a dynamic user profile that evolves with every interaction. It also includes feedback loops. So when you act on advice, the system learns whether the outcome was positive or negative, and it improves the future suggestions accordingly. So this is the thing. For example, I can give you an example that after suggesting that you want to increase your price, so then the AI coach will see a drop in conversions. uh, and it quickly identifies this and recommends bundling features instead, adapting its strategy based on real results. So it's not like if you want to do something like with the pricing, so this is the AI, it will see that what is the possibility and why you are doing that. So the next thing would be we have to make it more integrative, because solely as a business in a single unit it will not work for you. You have to integrate. If you integrate, then you can see the influence of each other in the system who are interacting with the single business. So the AI coach will properly uh, take you to the point that what is happening with the other stakeholders in across the ecosystem, and how you should to move around and accommodate yourself according to the situation. So the suggestions will be right, and then you will think positively towards the augmentation and adoption of those new decisions suggested by the AI coach. So, talking about the ecosystem integration, so AI coaches become even more powerful when connected to your tools, because everywhere the stakeholders across the ecosystem will use various sort of tools. So it is very much easier for you to integrate those tools through the AI coach. So they basically the AI coach will and the program behind that will plug directly into your CRM like HubSpot or Salesforce to monitor leads and sales. So this is another area that how to do the work. So this is the mechanism basically that how to establish that. So I'm going to take you to the area that what is the possible direction for you to link this data across the ecosystem. So the CRM is that, and the other one is the connect with the accounting softwares. For example, if you are using QuickBooks or Zero Suite to monitor financial health, so you can link your AI coach and the algorithm with that data, and pull data from market platforms like Google Ads to evaluate campaigns performance, integrate with project management tools like Notion or Trello to track execution and team outputs. So these are the areas where you can fit in, you can implement basically your developed AI coach. Either if you are a tech developer, so you can understand that how to integrate and what area will be benefit. If you are submitting your proposal to the business, so then you can understand that how and what would be the structure of that proposal for you to, if you want to develop an AI coach for an entrepreneur, or if an entrepreneur want to develop a new business and he want to or she want to incorporate the AI applications and boost its start and make shrinks the things happen. So that's the area where they can understand that how and where to fit in the various and how to take and utilize the services of tech developers or the service providers. I'm going to take you through the opportunities for startups and developers. So I'm going to take, if you are a startup an entrepreneur, so you can use this AI coach for example, I would say that AI first coaching apps you can work with, and that would be much tailored for different verticals and the freelancers, consultants, e-commerce, and the other would be for startups that offer premium plans that provide basic insights and upsell premium features. So if you develop like certain tools like AI coach, then you can sell even that to the businesses and some plans, premium plans, and partner with accelerator and co-working space to offer AI mentors to their cohorts. And for developers, so they can build white labels coaching APIs for incubators or platforms. They can create LLMs fine-tuned for business use cases such as in finance, marketing. They can develop plug and play dashboards, data aggregates, and visualize AI recommendations. So these are the areas that where you can work like as a developer independently and sell your services. Either you are a startup and you adopt something and you want to utilize the, and either you want to build your own tailored applications through hiring some developers. So this is both way and both lenses. It can give you options. Through the real world coaching example, I would say that you are, for example, let's say you are 8 months into building a business to business SaaS product and revenue is steady but runway is shrinking. So you ask your AI coach, should I raise funding now? So this is the question. Should I raise funding now? You are just asking your AI coach. So then the AI coach will do few things for you. For example, what the AI will do for, so it will analyze your current burn rate and runways. It will looks at market funding conditions. It will review traction metrics and revenue trends. It will compares with past successful raises by similar companies. So it will give you an edge and put you in a positions that how different aspects it happens. So what historically the companies did, and even what possible and best situation comes for you. So it will give you a recommendation. For example, it can, let's say it say you yes, but it will also give you possibly some conditions that for a 2 month runway buffer and only if your new onboarding funnel is completed. So it will suggest you that if you do this, so it will give you some conditions and then it will raise and trigger your mind that logically think about and even not just take decisions and see the consequences. So it will give you certain situations and then you can evaluate and further raise questions from the AI coach. So it does not stop there. It tracks your decisions, monitors outcomes, and improve future advice based on what you worked so far. So, as a summary and takeaway, I would recap that traditional coaching cannot scale, adapt, or deliver real time insights. While AI coaching is always available, it is data informed and personalized and insightful and real time. Your existing tools and data can power a coach that is smarter than most advisors. And the other takeaway recap would be the future of entrepreneurship is AI augmented decision making. That's throughout my entrepreneurial this lecture series. It is throughout this where I'm talking about that AI will always augment your decision making. So for us, our key takeaways would be that start capturing and organize your data from now. So this is the key takeaway from throughout this session, what I would expect that you keep in mind. And the second would be integrate your system with platforms that offer AI enhanced intelligence. The third would be takeaway would be if you are a founder, try AI coaching tools. The fourth would be if you are a builder and tech developer, so there is a massive white space to innovate here. And the fifth would be think of AI not just as a tool, but as your co-founder. So this is the area and key takeaways from today talk, and we can understand jointly. So my final call to action and for contact, I would say that the next generation of entrepreneurs will have a superpower AI that advises them, learn with them, and grow with them. So don't wait until your competition is already using it. So if you are looking to explore this world, whether as a user, partner, or innovator, tech developer, let us connect. So for connection, you can access me through my email. And I would advise that like, subscribe, and drop your biggest startup challenge in the comments. Who knows, your idea might inspire the next great AI coaching tools, and we will build it together. And really, I would say at the end that this is the million and billion dollars financial potential we can explore. And I would be happy that if so many entrepreneurs come to this area and explore it for tech development, for using and enhancing it. So that would be definitely my contribution. So I would say thank you guys for being with me and hearing with me. So let's grow together and flourish our future. Thank you.